Hi everyone, in this video we are going to look at electrolysis calculations where we just need to understand one very simple set of calculations to answer all the different kind of questions that can be thrown to us. So basically what we are looking at is a build on from our discussion on the preferential discharge of certain chemicals. So certain questions require you to start all the way from the top to decide which preferentially discharge and what is produced, but some of them, like this question, is going to tell you what is going on. So this question tells us that at the cathode copper is produced, and we have some variables that we can actually see. Some of the time we will be given Q, which is charge. Sometimes you're given the current. Sometimes we are given the time itself. Alright, or sometimes we are given the mass of this compound that was formed. We are given time and we are asked to find for current. Right, so basically you are given one of this information and you are given every piece of information except for one, and you're supposed to solve for that one unknown. So how does this work? Usually we just have to write down these three equations here, then just substitute in whatever we have and we'll find the unknown. And what do I mean by that? Usually, let's say if I'm given the charge and if I'm given the current, which is, let's say, 1 ampere, and I'm given the time, which is 30 seconds, right? I'm asked to find the mass of copper. I can just follow these steps that I'm going to show you now. So the first thing that I'm going to do is, since I'm given I and I'm given T, I will be able to find the number of moles of electrons, since I know the Faraday's constant too. So I'm going to remove this away because it is not part of our data. So after I find the number of moles of electrons, I just have to compare the mole ratio with copper 2:1 to find the amount of copper. And lastly, with the amount of copper, if I multiply it with the molar mass of copper, which I already know, right, it will give me this mass of copper that will be produced given 30 seconds and 1 ampere as run through the electrolytic cell. So there are many variants to this. I can give you the time and I give you the mass and I want you to tell me the current, or I give you the current and I give you the mass and I tell you to find me the time. Either way, you will be given everything but one piece of information and you just have to solve it.